Have you ever walked into your chicken house one morning only to find your layers weak, dull, and dropping watery feces with some huddled in corners looking lifeless? Mary, one of my clients, once proudly collected basket after basket of fresh eggs every day, only to watch the production crash in just 3 days as disease swept through her flock. She had invested in quality feed, vaccines, and daily care, but within days birds were sick, eggs were fewer, shells became weak, and some hens even died before she could react. That helplessness, when you see months of work crumbling before your eyes, is a pain every farmer dreads. Or maybe you've experienced that silent frustration where your hens seem healthy, but egg numbers keep dropping, shells get thinner, and the profits disappear. And that's exactly why, in today's video, I'm going to reveal a simple, natural powder formula that has been used for centuries, not only in human medicine, but also as one of the most effective natural remedies in poultry. Farmers who discover this secret often wonder why they wasted years relying on costly, synthetic drugs and boosters when the solution was sitting right under their noses. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to use this natural formula to protect your hens from deadly coccidiosis, control worms, detoxify their system, improve digestion, and most importantly, boost egg production without any crazy extra costs. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Your engagement not only helps the channel grow, but also spreads this knowledge to thousands of other farmers who desperately need it. Now, the powder I'm talking about is none other than charcoal. Yes, that ordinary black substance most farmers see only as waste after cooking or burning wood. But in reality, charcoal is one of the most powerful organic medicines you can ever introduce into your poultry system. It works in a way that many farmers overlook, yet the results are visible in just a few days of consistent use. The first and perhaps most shocking benefit of charcoal is its ability to fight coccidiosis, one of the most dreaded killers of poultry worldwide. Coccidiosis thrives by damaging the intestinal lining of chickens, creating wounds that bleed, weakening birds, and eventually leading to death. What charcoal does, through its incredible adsorptive power, is bind toxins and harmful compounds inside the gut, creating a cleaner environment that prevents the coccidia parasites from multiplying aggressively. Imagine it like this. Instead of your bird's intestines becoming a breeding ground for parasites, charcoal acts like a sponge that traps and removes the very substances that fuel the infection, giving the chicken's immune system a chance to fight back. Farmers who add charcoal to their feed often report that even in areas where coccidiosis was once rampant, outbreaks become rare and far less severe.
What sets apart millionaire poultry farmers from normal farmers? One thing: feed formulation. You've probably heard that making your own poultry feeds is cheaper and more profitable, but when you go online, all you find is scattered information, complicated software, and people talking theory instead of showing you how it's actually done. That's exactly why we at Agribusiness Insider spent the last 8 months creating something no one else has, a complete poultry feed formulation course designed to take you from zero knowledge to formulating professional broiler and layer feeds in just 1 weekend. You'll get 5 easy-to-understand modules that explain everything from ingredient selection and nutrient balancing to actual feed mixing. You'll also receive our powerful Excel-based feed formulation software with over 80 preloaded ingredients. Just key in your data and get instant feed formulas customized for your chickens. And because we believe in hands-on practical learning, we've added 8+ step-by-step video tutorials and a software operation guide, so you'll never get stuck at any point. Believe me, we have checked, and there is nothing like this that exists anywhere on the internet. Now, for a limited time, you can get 15% off the full package and gain free access to our future live feed formulation webinars, where we answer all your feed formulation and poultry questions one-on-one. Remember, our organic poultry farming ebook is still yours to grab. To get a lifetime access to the course and the ebook, click the first link in the description of this video or scan this QR code, or contact me directly on WhatsApp at +254 726 717 251 for any assistance. This special offer will not be on for long, so click the first link in the description now and unlock lifetime access before it's closed.
But that's not all. Charcoal is equally ruthless when it comes to worms. Parasites like roundworms and tapeworms weaken poultry silently, stealing nutrients and causing weight loss even when you're giving high-quality feed. Charcoal alters the gut environment in such a way that worms cannot thrive, while also binding and expelling their eggs before they can hatch and spread. In practice, this means your birds spend less energy fighting internal parasites and more energy converting feed into body weight and eggs. It's no wonder traditional farmers used to say that a bird raised on charcoal rarely falls sick, because it keeps both visible and invisible enemies at bay. Another often overlooked benefit is detoxification. Every day, chickens consume small amounts of toxins, whether from molds in feed, pesticide residues, or natural byproducts of digestion. Left unchecked, these toxins build up, weaken the liver, and reduce performance. Charcoal, because of its porous structure, acts like a magnet that binds these poisons and escorts them safely out of the body. The result? Birds with brighter feathers, better appetite, and stronger immunity. And as any farmer knows, a strong immune system is the first line of defense against sudden disease outbreaks. Charcoal also plays a critical role in improving digestion. By reducing harmful bacteria in the gut and creating a cleaner environment, it allows the beneficial microbes to thrive. This balance is what ensures nutrients in the feed are absorbed efficiently instead of being wasted. Think about it. If you're spending money on quality feed, but your bird's intestines are clogged with parasites and toxins, most of that feed is literally going down the drain. But with charcoal in the system, absorption improves, feed conversion ratio drops, and birds gain more weight with less feed. That's why many farmers who adopt charcoal report layers that maintain higher egg production for longer. Now the big question is, how do you actually use it? Based on both traditional knowledge and recent practical trials, the ideal inclusion rate is 1.5% of the feed. This means that if your chickens eat 10 kilograms of feed a day, you ought to add 150 grams of charcoal. But here's something important. Charcoal should not be given daily throughout the month. Instead, it works best when supplemented for 1 full week every month. Why? Because continuous daily use might reduce the absorption of certain micronutrients if overdone, and your birds don't need that constant intake. By cycling it in 1 full week per month, you allow the flock to detoxify, clear parasites, and reset their gut health while avoiding any risk of oversupplementation. This approach also saves you costs, since a little charcoal goes a long way, and it ensures the bird's digestive system stays efficient without becoming dependent. When farmers adopt this routine, the results are undeniable. Layers experience not only improved egg numbers, but also stronger shells and healthier yolks. And beyond the visible benefits, there's the peace of mind of knowing you are relying on an organic, chemical-free solution that leaves no harmful residues in the meat or eggs, something consumers are becoming increasingly aware of and willing to pay extra for. If you found value here, remember to get your organic farming ebook in the first link in the description of this video. If you thought charcoal supplement was impressive, make sure you don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal another powerful natural supplement that can push your layer chickens to lay non-stop. Click it here on your screen right now and I will see you there.